Hello everyone. Just now we have seen, right? So Cucumber BDD login test case we have seen now. Just now, see, this is the one login feature. See, orange HRM login test. We have entered username, password button. Click on the button, and login is successful or not. We are checking. This is the step definition file where so I am giving the elements and I'm hard coding the username and the password here. Here I am hard coding the username and the password. So this test is running and successfully and it is passing correctly. I mean it is working correctly. The script is working correctly. Okay. Now what we'll do now, instead of passing the hard coding the values, username and the password, we can parameterize it. We'll try to parameterize in the Cypress BDD framework. For that now, I'll create so let it be feature file same scenario. Just copy this scenario, paste here. I go with the valid credentials. Valid credentials, parameters, and apply parameters for this test. So what we are doing, we are applying parameters for this test. See, URL is okay. Or still URL also you can parameterize. But for now, I will parameterize only. Enter the valid username. What is the valid username here? So admin is the valid username. Admin123. Here small is the valid password. Admin password. Admin123. Okay. Click on the login button and verify login is successful or not. See, I am parameterizing the test data here in the script and how we are going to take the script. Go here. Okay, create one more test here. Just copy this one. With, okay, with parameters. Parameters.js. Okay, I have created it. Copy the same script. Copy here. Close this file. Now, so we need to pass the username, right? Admin. So just a little bit, we are doing small modification. So enter the valid email, right? This step, enter the valid username. So here you need to pass in the valid username. You need to pass here string. So here we are passing it as a string. Whatever the things no in the step it is in double quotes. No, we'll pass it as a string. Just give user here. Just give user. Same user. Copy paste within the type. Type and also password. So enter the valid password. Right? This is the string, right? Which is in double quotes. Provide here for password string and provide password no pwd and type here. Just type here. Okay, what I did, just I'm parameterizing the data from steps. So before test case I have hard coded, right? Instead of that we are parameterizing from the steps. Okay, go here. I have modified a little bit, taking it as a string and passing an argument and just capturing it, just giving it the type command, action command. Okay, password also same. Okay, now we'll try to run. Go here, go to the test cases, just refresh it. I will reopen it. It is not updating. Okay, I will reopen it. Okay, what I did. Okay, it is in the same, right? It is in the same file. It is in the same file, right? Okay. Yeah, I forgot to. I thought I have created another file. It is in the same file. Let it run. First, it is running login orange HRM application. Now it is running second test case with parameters. See, it worked right. Both test cases got passed. Okay. So log into the orange HRM application with valid credentials and apply parameters. Okay. So both the test cases got passed. So this is how you will provide the okay, instead of hard coding, no, provide it as a string and apply the test data in the test case here. And directly test case is taking, but with the help of some parameters. Okay. I hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you. So previous session, no, previous test case we have created. So by hard coding the username and the password, and in this current test case, no, we have created by passing arguments to the test case. So both are under this feature. Okay. Thank you.